Mercury brings the revolutionary power of Microsoft to the staffing and recruitment sector, giving you endless opportunities to transform your business. With Mercury, you benefit from a single unified platform underpinned by Microsoft, which gives you unrivaled levels of security as well as the ability to leverage your data so that you can make it work for you like never before. The platform gives your team the convenience of using familiar tools like Outlook and Teams alongside Mercury, helping you get more value from your Microsoft investment, reducing your reliance on third-party tools, and opening the door to transformative tech such as automation, analytics, and artificial intelligence. All the features you would expect to find in a recruiting and staffing solution are there, but Mercury is not your average CRM. Mercury is and can do so much more. Mercury gets you closer to your clients, helping you build detailed company hierarchies to map and develop your client base, drill down further into organizational charts, and understand the strength of the relationships you hold so you can see which contacts are your champions and which may impact your future success. Finding and managing candidates is greatly enhanced through an advanced search capability that unlocks the true potential of your database to surface the best candidates faster than ever. Use Mercury automation and AI capabilities and you could be reaching out to candidates and getting them in front of clients within minutes. This technology has helped Mercury users speed up processes at every step of the way, reducing the time of the first CV or resume submitted, time to first interview, and most importantly, time to first hire. Fully integrated with LinkedIn for both Sales Navigator and Recruiter System Connect, Mercury helps drive business development and candidate sourcing and engagement, meaning you can give your consultants the right tools for the job and ensure that key information is captured back in Mercury. Attracting talent should always be a key focus for any agency, so Mercury uses Microsoft's generative AI technology to enhance your job adverts, write your internal briefs, and even create key interview questions to help make your people more effective, especially newer consultants or those operating in new markets. It's like having a senior consultant guiding every team member along the way, regardless of their level of experience. Shortlisting and placements are streamlined with intelligent updates and advanced process management, helping you to move effortlessly from source to hire. Mercury's configurable automation provides endless possibilities for notifications, actions, and outreach, both inside and outside Mercury, delivering new levels of productivity and effectiveness in your business. Manage your placements to ensure robust compliance and minimize costly discounts and dropouts with advanced validation, multi-approval process and integrations with industry-leading e-signature tools for faster turnaround, ensuring you're always confident in the people you are working with and placing. Once placed, Mercury's Pay and Bill and Time and Expenses functionality is readily available via our candidate and client portals, delivering a greater client and candidate experience, including transparency for your external hiring managers. Define your own timesheet frequency, set payable increments from hours down to minutes, consolidate and create a single invoice to help save time. Easily identify missing POs to help mitigate late payments, and invoice in any currency you choose, among many other features. All this activity culminates in Mercury's advanced analytics solution that can be used by anyone within the business to understand their performance, see what activities they need to do to hit target. For leaders, Mercury Analytics helps you slice and dice data, drill down and measure KPIs, even helping you identify lost revenue for continuous future improvement. And from here, well, the possibilities are endless. Supported by Mercury's consultancy team, Microsoft's Power Platform gives you the tools you need to drive your business in the way you want. Create advanced automations and workflows. Use virtual agents to extend your reach or allow candidates to self-serve. Mercury gives you a truly connected and highly collaborative staffing and recruiting platform that will optimize your business every step of the way. Mercury with Microsoft, changing the way you recruit forever.